you're really hugging something, but the energy that you give off of hugging. So like, you're still doing the volleyball technique, but the execution is like a hug. When you hug somebody, you're actually completing it, right? And you're giving off energy. So boom, thumbs down, right? And then shoulders will shrug at contact. Yeah, like that. Good, 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 good. One motion. See, that's two motions. And then you went like that. See, that's two motions. You come up, and then you went down, and then went back up. I don't know, one motion. Toss the ball again. One motion. Yes, there you go. Toss it me over there. Good. 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 Those are settable. Good. There you go. Good, good. That's better. Hands together earlier. Go, go, go. Good. And remember, you want your torso face me. Raise that left shoulder. Exhale, like right when I hit it, arms together and just get there. Good. 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 Oh, there you go. Exhale a lot earlier. Good, good, good. No, that's good. Good, good. Good. That's okay. Good. So remember, right when I make contact, that's when it all has to come together. Yes, 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 yes. Good. That's what I'm saying. Low, and then pop up. Stay low. Yeah. Yep. Do it again. Yeah. Good. 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 There you go. You feel more control? You look like you're in more control. Good. 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 That's good. 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 That's good. 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 There. Oh, 5. It's fine. That's the last second resort. That was good. There you go. Good, good. There we go. Good, good. There we go. Come on, that was a good one, dude. Good. 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 There you go. Come on, move your feet. Come on. Good. 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 Just know that this side is weak and you have to go a little bit more emphasis. Good. Okay. Come on. Good. 2. Good. Come on. Good. That was good.